Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to copy data from a Clarion TPS file into the database. In this particular example, I will be using SQL Server. I have already created directory TPS and a target connection called demo. Our software works with both Clarion .dot files and Clarion TPS files. In the latest version of Advanced ETL processor 6.5, we have introduced support from Clarion TPS files. We can work with encrypted and not encrypted files, and with the files which hold multiple tables inside. So what we need to do now, we need to create new transformation. Let's call it copy TPS to SQL Server. I'm just demonstrating the principle. It works with any database once you understand it. So what we need to do now, we need to select our source file, see the connection. This example using students file. Okay, here it is. By the way, if you find any issues, please let us know, because our knowledge about TPS is limited. And also we would be interested to see how it works with extremely large TPS files. Selecting SQL Server connection. And students table. I just need to do the mapping. It's rather simple. All we need to do is to use automap. All done. Click OK. And click Run. So data is loaded. You can even see here. Just refresh it. Here's our data. Alright. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And remember, if you need any help, all you need to do is to ask. And we will help you. Please go to support forum and post your questions there. And we will reply within 1 day. Thank you. Bye.